Hello, welcome to the Digital Chowder video blog. This is Wayne, and this is my third video about my favorite web builder, Nicepage. What I'm doing is highlighting my favorite features with Nicepage. This is not a how to use it, although there'll be some elements demonstrating. But in my first video, we talked about the subscription plan that Nicepage has, the features I like about it, how it works well for me, also about the desktop app that Nicepage offers so that you can design on your desktop, your computer, offline, either Windows or Mac, and then import it online. In the second video, we looked at some design features in Nicepage, looking at some of my favorite features, but also some features that you might not find in some other web builders. And now in this third video, we're going to be looking at the process of publicizing your website from the desktop to online. And that could be just a straight HTML website, or it could be a WordPress website, Joomla, several choices there. So we'll be looking at doing that. So let's get started. So here we are on our desktop app for Nicepage in Windows. There's also a version for Mac computers as well. And this is a website that we've been working on in our previous videos. It's just a sample site, nothing to it, demonstrating some animation, demonstrating grids and how they work for a responsive website. Modals, here is an accordion feature and a tab feature, and we demonstrated some other features that I think are nice features in Nicepage, but also somewhat unique to Nicepage as well. But we have our site completed, and we're ready now to publish it from our desktop app to our website online. And so we go to Publish and Export, and you can see various options. Website, this is actually uploading it to the Nicepage server, which gives you space there, and it works great as a demo for clients if you're designing for others. You have an HTML site, WordPress, Joomla. You can even make an image from it, or take the project, your website project, and transfer it to another computer and work on it using the desktop app there. We're going to do just the website, the HTML, and the WordPress. HTML is using just the old HTML coding with CSS and just a hard files version of a website. And so looking at our website option, this is going to be our domain where it goes to, and we just simply publish it. And so I click on the publish button. With that finished, it's been published directly online, directly to a website. And so we can go over here to the location, and here we have it. When we open it, I'll just do a refresher here, and we see the animation when it first opens. Right there, it comes up with the animation, and the next block has animation as well. And here we have our modal, which is a pop-up. You can use it in a variety of ways, but we made a slideshow out of the pop-up. So, and you have your accordion here, which gives you a means of hiding information, just saving space on your desktop, on your home page. And then the tabs, which gives you various tabs to also offer more information without it all being spread out on your website. All right, we go back to our desktop app, and we're going to take another publication option, going to the HTML. And this, we have an option of exporting to a folder, to a zip file, or directly online using FTP. We're going to use the folder option. I'm going to use my own FTP client. And so this is our folder name that it will export to. And we're going to keep everything as it is. We'll click on the export button down here. Over here in FileZilla, and we'll find our demo site right here in the Nicepage templates. And over here, I have a number of website options. We're going to the HTML option here. So I'm going to just highlight, use Control A and highlight all of these, and then I'm going to slide it over to the other side, and it will upload to the website. With our files uploaded, we can now go to that page, and like the other one, there it has come up, and everything there as before. All right, back to our desktop app. This time we're going to select a WordPress export, and we could export to a folder, a zip file, or FTP. Again, we're using zip file this time because we're going to import it into WordPress like we do any other theme, which uses zip files. So we've got our file name, demo site, and we've selected the path it's going to. We're going to include the theme. We're going to include the pages and the editor plugin. This is a WordPress plugin, which will give you the capability of editing your website online in Nicepage. We could include the Nicepage project, which would give us the capability of importing the site back offline to our desktop after we've made changes to it. All right, so we click export here. And so now we've got a zip file that we can import into our WordPress site. We're on the back end of our WordPress site, and we're going to go to Appearance. We're going to select Themes, and we're going to add new. Then upload theme. And so we're going to choose our file. And here is our demo site folder. Here, I want the zip file. Demo site, open it. And then we can click install. Now I've actually installed it already, so we'll not go through that process. Okay, now that we have installed our website, we need to activate it, which I've done. And now we need to click on the Customize. And under Customize, we need to go into Self-Identity. And here we'll select our logo and our favicon, uploading those to the site. And then down here, another place where we will include the site icon. Having done that, we hit our back button and go down to Menus. And we will need to select the menu that it will be using, and it's already there, the primary navigation, Menu 1. And then we need to come down to Homepage Settings. And here we could select your latest post. We're not using post, we're going to have a static site. And so we select what our home page will be, which is front page. And that's got it. Back out of that, and now let's publish it. And you can see our website over here. I'm going to exit out of Customize altogether. And if we click on our website, we should see it come up. You see we have an empty logo, and there it is, just like all of the others. That's our front page. We didn't build a menu, so we did not get into all the how-tos, but there is your site. And that's the end of our video as well. In video 4, we'll be going to our WordPress installation of this very same site and demonstrating working within Nicepage there. Thanks for joining us. Be sure and leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.